àwọn èèyàn bímà ti fẹ́ dájà sílẹ̀ láàrin àwọn gbajúmọ̀ òṣèrébìnrin tíátà méjì ilé wa ìyẹn Funke Akindele àti Fathia Balogun Williams ni Fathia bá fàbínú yọ ẹ gbọ́ ohun tó sọ.
Bloggers, I've never done this in my entire life before. I know that the most important people in my life, my kids and my mom, if they see this, they will be surprised that why are you doing this? But I need to say my piece. Because some of us don't come to social media to rant, or because some of us don't come to social media to talk, you people are really taking us for granted. You understand? You people are taking us for granted. You always cause problem. You always cause wahala between colleagues. Everyone is peaceful, no fights, nothing. But you will create a fight between one person and the other. Blogs. I don't know how to do it. I would have snapped that thing and put it here for you guys to see. Funke Akindele greeted me. Sent message of love to me, happy birthday. Asked her, I call her Iya Beji. And I said thanks Iya Beji with the emoji of love. Some blogger, Tosin Travels or whatever your name is, you're now using it to trend. I don't understand what you mean by that. I don't understand what you want to do with that. What do you want to cause again? Because you want your blog to have views, or because you want your so-called YouTube channel to have views? I don't do this. Please, I beg you. If you want to now, most people cause trouble in our lives to sell your whatever blogs you're doing. There will be no fights. There will be no wahala. But your blogs will come out to be causing wahala. What is it? I just saw it just now. I'm going to screenshot and put on my page. You just like to cause wahala between two people that nothing is happening. She monitoring spirits ni shawani. What's your business the way anybody greets anybody? I call Funke Akindele Iya Beji. And you that person that did that thing. Last one in real. I've never in my life in this industry do this thing that I'm doing. I've never done it before. I've never come out to say anything in my entire life to anybody before. You guys know that. But I just saw it now. That one again is going to start causing problem. Hey, the fuel on le kilo di clear and buying gogon. Thank you, everyone. That's what I want to say. Take care of yourself.
Kí lẹ rí sí ohun tí Fathia Balogun Williams sọ nípa fọ́nrán tẹ́ wò yìí? Ẹ má gbàgbé àti subscribe sí channel yìí. Ẹ ṣé gan ni.